how to log in into the University of Edinburgh account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL, type in University Login Edinburgh, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now head over to the first link on your interface that says My e-Student and Staff Portal, the University of Edinburgh. Click on that. Now you will land on this interface. From here, click on Log into My ED. Click on that. Yes. So first of all, you have to enter your valid username associated with your account. If you need any help, there is a help link provided. Click on that and that will help you out with your problem. Once you're done typing in your username, click on this continue button. Now you have to enter your password. Make sure you enter your correct password. Then click on this login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's how you can log in into the University of Edinburgh account. I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials video. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.